go to leave the light, and I'm like, oh shit, look at that Camaro over there. So I just like, whoa, bam!
Last season on AMC's Breaking
Differential. So engineers had to find a way to connect both rear wheels to the engine without sliding and slipping on turn. The device which makes this possible is a part of the rear axle. It is called the differential because it can drive the rear wheels at different speeds.
Nope. 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 First gear? Nope. Alright, Chris, connect the Bluetoothless.
The 4L60 lives!
The 4L60 is actually alive. I went to go start pulling the drive shaft, and I was like, wait a second. Tires are on the ground. Tires ain't spinning, but drive shaft's spinning. Bang, and I rolled like half a mile. The ring gear don't look bad.
Oh, there it is.
Oh yeah.
Oh, it's wedged in there hard, dude.
Oh yeah, we'll get that out. I just gotta check all these teeth. I'm actually amazed this thing don't look half bad. Oh, that's where the wedge is. Oh, she got the fucking pinion a little bit. Not bad though, it's on the edges.
Oh, yeah.
She'll buff. Well, since we got it like this, we can check to see.
Still don't have everything. That's not all of it.
No, I'm saying since we got the diff like this, we can check.
Your little pry bar, yeah.
Can I talk? Holy fuck. Oh, dick. Fucking bastard. Ew. Stinks. Smells like dirty fucking gym socks. Since we got it like this, we can replace the bearings and the bushings and all that shittings. Looks like whatever that is got fucking knocked up. Put some plates in between here and give her a fucking weld and give her a fucking weld, and you know, can't So if it's cracked, then we might just have to fucking replace the carrier, but fucking send it welded up. Alright, getting her all prepped up, doing some of the final cleaning. A few days later now. Getting everything where it needs to be. Got the diff welded up by Derek. He did a wonderful job. Let's see how well it can hold. Alright. And we will be putting her all back together. And seeing what the 4L60 can hold, because apparently it's still alive.
3 hours later.
Alright. Time to take this here carrier out. It's gonna fall right out because there ain't nothing holding it in there. But damn, did she ever get some abuse? That's cool, we're still gonna use it. Now, this is where it gets confusing because I don't have jack stands on the axles. So what I gotta do is I gotta jack up the pumpkin, pick up the back of the truck to relieve the axles, grab a magnet, and pop out the C-clips holding it in there. See, that's one C-clip. But yeah, you get a magnet, pull out the C-clips on each side, pull the axles out so you can get these gears out. They should fall free because they're not welded to the basket. And then we'll pull them straight out, push the axles back in, set the truck down.
At least this jack is graceful. Like the one at your house. I feel like it just rolled forward.
So last night off camera, I got a wild hair. I wanted to find out why the 4x4 ain't working. I went ahead and pulled out the transfer case, cracked it open, took a look, and everything's fucking mint. So, you know, we actually didn't have to go on and do that, because it turns out I'm gonna go ahead and guess the front spider gears and the front diff are busted. I hate fucking with the front diff on these. It ain't that bad to get out, but it is a motherfucker to get back in. And it ain't that it's hard, it just only goes out one way and in one way. I'm gonna do that now. And that means I gotta unbolt the CV axles, so I probably need to put some jack stands under the front of this truck. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and pull that front diff out. Tip to save y'all some time if you're in my shoes. Turn your motherfucking wheels as far left as you can. Angle it in the bag in front of you. Angle it, yell at Chris one time that they're in the bag in front of them. Angle it like down and out to clear the top. Once the top's cleared, it comes right out. It's gonna have to go in the same way. So now we're gonna grab this whore and bust it open, see what the hell's wrong. I'm putting my money on spider gears, but we can't do no McDouble bets because well, for one, can't even buy a McDouble for $1 anymore, and two, they don't really taste like food. So we'll crack this open in a second. Chris is just buttoning up the transfer case for now. Say hi, Chris. Look at this fucking, look at the focus. Chris won the bet.
I got $1.
Oh shit, I thought it was gonna be some spider gears up in this because it was just one bang and done. Where the, oh, you put the half on. I was trying to look up in there. We'll get to that. Hang on, that's a surprise. Give a brother a hand. I ain't got no hands. I got one hand.
Alright.
What'd you do? You broke it? How you so good? Damn, I thought you were gonna fucking pinch my titty or something. What are you doing?
I don't know. Acting like I know what I'm doing.
I don't know what's happening right now. Why is it not coming off? What did you fucking do, Chris? You go boo-boo?
I don't know. It's a problem with having much feeling in your hands.
Fuck, man. Why'd you put it back on?
Just together, boy.
What'd you do?
Alright. Please hold.
Put your purse down. What? Oh, the pen. The pins were in.
That pin was stuck.
So yeah, the diff, front diff, actually looks phenomenal. Gear and pinion wise. You don't see nothing. It's looking great. Even up in that groove, there's plenty of meat. There's plenty of life left in this ring and pinion. Barely used the 4x4 in this, and the previous owner, I don't think ever used it, which I don't know why. But this is the culprit here.
Bluetooth axle.
Got a Bluetooth axle. So just get a chromoly one of those, break the other side, pull it back out, get another chromoly one, and fucking, you know, call it a fucking month. But we're fixing to have some 4x4s. Yeah, transfer case is Gucci. Got standby transfer case for the 80 when the 60 goes. We're just fucking full of fun here. I'm gonna order shit and fucking put this shit back together and see y'all in a week or two. Alright, Dr. fucking Weld-em-all. There's a plate in there. And some spider gears somewhere. Got some rust, got some nicks. We're gonna button her back up and send it. Should probably bolt those down too. Oh, what the fuck is that? Crazy noises are, but I'm gonna hopefully make it back to where I park it to find the fuck out. And maybe when I get on a certain road, I'll try and grenade it, see if it wants to grenade. I don't know if it's tranny, rear end. It sounds like the rear end, but I can't fucking tell. Gas pedal, boy. That shit sounds gnarly. Yeah, temps are 120. I don't know what the fuck it is somehow. Ooh, yeah, baby. Oh, howdy, Sheriff. Sheriff's Department over there. Howdy, howdy, don't mind me. Just fucking blowing shit up. I think I might give her the beans one time just to see, you know, give it everything. Kind of nervous though. Sling a drive shaft or some shit, never know. Bad. Oh shit. You hit the gas and it stops, so I'm guessing it is indeed the rear end. It's making a new noise alongside of that whining. I really want to grenade this bitch, but maybe I shouldn't.